These little birdies are now 1 week old. Their eyes are still closed. I hate that glare. The little birdies look cold. Aww. Yeah, we tried putting some worms right here. The mommy bird. But I don't think she ever went over there and got them. I don't even know where mommy is right now. Crazy, I figured one birdie, mom or dad would be watching the nest at all times. And it's not like that. Just the mommy's there, single mommy. Is to leave her babies alone. They look so soft. But they're so lovely a little bit. A little cute. But that's our 1 week old birdies. 4 little birdies there. Pretty soon their eyes are going to be opening.